Time and technology do not wait for anyone. We are living in an era of technological revolution. Therefore, it is necessary for you to be future ready. Today, in this episode, we shall discuss what is Salesforce, how and from where can you get Salesforce certification, about Trailhead community, and how can students become future ready. Salesforce offers a wide variety of CRM categories and systems to meet your needs, including Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, Analytics Cloud, Data Cloud, Community Cloud, App Cloud, and IoT, serving more than 150,000 customers. Mr. Naveen Gabrani, founder and CEO of Astria IT, which is a Salesforce partner, will tell us about Salesforce.
Salesforce, there is a huge demand of professionals in the Salesforce ecosystem. There are about 1 million jobs expected to come in another 3 to 5 years in India itself. So, and the supply is not there right now. So if students at KIET and other universities, as they learn, there is an opportunity for them to make a career in Salesforce.
What are the Salesforce certifications that you will need?
So Salesforce has many different certifications. The main ones which somebody starting his or her career are Salesforce Developer Certification and Salesforce Admin Certification. This is what we recommend you take at the beginning of your career.
As he told us, these are the Salesforce certifications: Salesforce Administrator, ForceCom Developer, Salesforce Advanced Administrator, Salesforce Sales Cloud Consultant, and Salesforce Service Cloud Consultant.
So there is a site called Web Assessor. You can go to Web Assessor and register there. The exams are conducted by Prometric, which also conducts like Java certification and other such certifications. What is good about Salesforce is that there is a free e-learning platform. This is called Trailhead, and Salesforce also provides a free developer account. So a student can, in addition to his regular studies, can put in some extra effort, get a lot of e-learning done through Trailhead, and be job ready as he does the graduation.
What is Trailhead? Here you can find a series of online tutorials which will help you learn how to code for the Salesforce platform. It gives you a badge on completing each level. How many Trailheads badges are there? Trailhead has 125 trails, 441 modules, 85 projects, and 14 super badges.
I think the core things that we look for are that your basics, fundamentals in computing, they should remain strong. So, for example, your data structures, your algorithms, they need to be solid. Once that is done, then we would like students to get into some new technologies, Salesforce and cloud computing being one of them, and there are others like this, like IoT is there, like you have machine learning, artificial intelligence. There is a big shortage of supply in these areas. So students who have expertise in core IT skills, and then they have expertise in one of these specialized areas, there is a huge demand for such people.
How does Salesforce work? Salesforce is a top-notch CRM application built on the Force.com platform. It can manage all the customer interactions of an organization through different media like phone calls, site email inquiries, communities, as well as social media. Salesforce handles all the customer relationships by focusing on the sales, marketing, and support processes. This is done by working with the standard objects like contact, product, lead, opportunity, case, solution, etc., and facilitating the relationships between them.
So SAP is has been around for many years, and it is known as an enterprise ERP. Traditionally, it has been the market leader. Salesforce is relatively new. It's a cloud computing platform. It's a fast growing. It's really fast growing. So there is a huge demand of people in Salesforce. So basically, Salesforce represents the future. So what we are seeing is that in the software or IT industry, a lot of new things are happening at the same time. For example, we have cloud computing, we have IoT, we have machine learning, we have social media, we have big data. These are all huge shifts, and all of them coming together is generally called by industry as fourth industrial revolution. It's like the in 90s we had the computing come into the game, and that completely changed everything. You see how many jobs in India have been created since the 90s, since the computing revolution happened. And we're seeing the same thing happening again with so many new technologies coming in. There is huge opportunity for developers in India and all across the globe. So we'll help you using Trailhead, which is the free e-learning platform. We'd like you to register for that and then go through the training modules. And Istria and other companies like us will provide full support to KIET students.